My name is Rich. I live in Hurricane. I work at St. George Transmission, and this is my 71 Chevy C10. I bought it. It was it was actually a long bed piece of junk, and I made it into a short bed and did everything that you see here. It's a turbocharged 5.3 LS motor with Holley fuel injection, and it dynoed 670 horsepower at the tire on pump gas, which makes it really fun to drive.
Awesome. Tell us more about it. Show us around what you have, what you've done, Rich.
I have a Holley intake, a full Holley engine management system, and I made all the plumbing, the hot side, the cold side. It's got a 76 millimeter turbo, and it runs a Texas Speed camshaft and a whole bunch of eBay parts, oddly enough. It's really been an inexpensive build to make a lot of horsepower and have a lot of fun with.
Look, here's a tour around. What? I see you got some slicks ready to go racing.
I do, yeah.
We have always a trinkets booth if you're so inclined.
Pretty good out there.
We are selling
all the sheet metal's pretty new.
some of the memorabilia here from the museum, as well as right next to it.
It's almost a new truck. It's a new 71 Chevy truck.
Aircraft ride. If you are looking to win a possible ride in the piece, there will be only 30 tickets sold.
The fuel system will support 1,000 horsepower. So I can turn it up if I want to.
I like the license. The ride will be at
yeah, you know, a lot of younger people don't really know what that is, but
you will call you
a little bit older generation, they know what that is. I have mandatory racing seatbelts, and just your basic goodies, I suppose. I have a Holley LCD system right here that gives me all the monitors of the engine, what everything's doing. It's basically a gauge panel.
And I see you modify your seats too, so.
Yeah, there's seats out of a Dodge Durango. They seem to fit. I'm not exactly a small guy, so I had to look for some small seats so I could fit in there. This gives me all the information of the motor and everything that's going on, so you don't have to mess with the stock dash.
Original key and everything?
Yeah, Chevy key.
The raffle tickets are at the gate entrance. 30 will be drawn.
Probably the only couple of parts that are original on the whole truck. The key, the dashboard, and the door panels. Everything else I've changed and replaced.
Well, thank you for showing us your awesome truck, and then I'd like to give thanks to any of your sponsors.
Well, the only sponsor I got is my wallet, but I appreciate you guys liking my truck and asking me to do this.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.